main responsibility in this work? What is the main responsibility in this work? Accuracy in, this is your error chart. What is your main responsibility in this one?
Spelling errors.
Accuracy in spelling errors, right? Right. If I tell you, so one spelling error भी नहीं जाने का, if I tell you the clarification, how it becomes?
Yeah, I understand.
Very easy, no? Now I told you that, so this is your responsibility. So how to get rid of all the spelling errors also? If I give you any techniques, then it becomes very easy. So आप खुद कुछ करने का जरूरत नहीं है ना, कंपनी जो बता रहा है वो sit and do the work, that's all only. See, if I give you 1,000 files, can you make any extra enters in your work?
No.
Extra spaces? Extra tabs? No. Like that, if I give you 1,000 files also, you cannot make even one spelling error also. Okay? So we'll check it out. Normally, what we do while doing the work, this is the image file and this is the word file. Right? Now 100 फाइल्स आ रहा, 10 days आ रहा बोले तो टाइम, सो 5 days में टाइप करेगा, रिमेनिंग 3 to 4 days वेरीफाई करके सबमिट करेगा काम, वही है ना. Now this is the image file and this is the word file. So now you can keep like this. See, you can keep like this and you can verify like this, right? From here to here you have to verify like this. This is your working method after typing the data, right? So in this way also we can work it out, not a problem. Concentrated mind never makes mistake, but 1 or 2 mistakes जाने का chance तो रहता, लेकिन concentratedly not a problem. But if we work professionally, work becomes very easy. See here, this is the image section. This image line जो है, ये word file line को ऊपर और नीचे आए तो कैसा रहता? And now this is the word. See, consequently the है here. Okay ना? This is the consequently the. Here word file is there. The image line what is there exactly. If we arrange top of this word document, then कंपैरिजन आसान हो जाता ना. लेकिन कैसे होता, देखो एमएस अभी 2007 में जो वर्क किया 2003 में करे तो ओपन हो जाता, नहीं होता क्योंकि डॉट एक्स में रहता वो. सो एक ही वर्जन है, एक ही है, लेकिन सपोर्ट नहीं करेगा. लेकिन वो इमेज फाइल है, ये वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट है, कैसे सपोर्ट करेगा. लेकिन इफ वी वर्क प्रोफेशनली एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल. लुक एट हियर. Look at here. Now I am selecting the data for the sake of comparison. See here, just changing the color. Okay, now I need more gap in between 2 lines because I want to insert the image file line. So just go to paragraph and change line spacing to double. Now data is going to next page. I cannot insert the image file in 2 pages. Just I want to increase the page height now. So go to page size, paper size, maximum 22 रहता. Keep it like that. Now single page में हो गया ना. Now place the cursor over here. Go to insert option. Click on picture option. Okay. Now image files contains only picture option only. Now go to our path file. This is the image file. Click on image file and click on insert. आ गया ना इमेज वर्ड का अंदर, आ गया, लेकिन नो चांस ऑफ कंपैरिजन. Now we cannot compare the image file. Okay. Now there is an option called text wrapping. Click on text wrapping and click on behind the text. Click on behind the text. Okay. So ऊपर आएगा. Just you move like this by using arrow keys. I am matching only this first line. Now come down like this, just drag and drop like this. See, move like this. Now matching हो गया. Now इधर come down like this. Now ये वर्क में लाइन मिसिंग जाने का चांस है क्या? लाइन मिसिंग जाने का चांस है क्या? इधर ही मालूम हो रहा है ना?
काफ़ी कुछ
राइट. लाइन मिसिंग आए तो मैचिंग नहीं होता. मैचिंग नहीं हो रहा बोला तो वी कैन टाइप द लाइन. लाइन मिसिंग आ रहा है बोले तो दैट इज कॉल्ड ओनली नेग्लेक्ट वर्क ओनली. ओके. नाउ this 4 dots is called image section, image application, and this is called word application. There are 2 applications running in one application. So this is word application. Okay. Now zoom it according to your screen size, and so just move it like this. Just move it like this, and you verify like this. What is the problem here? Space is not there. Okay, apply the space. Now you remove like this. रेड लाइन आ रहा बोले तो उधर स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है, लेकिन कंपेयर विद द इमेज फाइल. व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम हियर? E is the problem. Type E over. ऐसा वेरीफाई करते आना. So here also see here. Here also D is there. Okay, now verify like this. So ఇక్కడ ऊपर नीचे अगर इमेज फाइल ठीक से एडजस्ट किए तो ये पूरा आपको बहुत आसान हो जाता. देखो पोलाइटनेस. व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? N is the problem. Come on, remove it. Like this verify करते आना. Red line is has come, but no problem with the image file. Leave it like that. Family. N is the problem. Remove it. Laughed. E was missing. Type the word E over. So like this आप verify करते आना. See here, आपको फुल स्टॉप दिख रहा है ना आपको? इधर कामा तो टाइप नहीं करते. कामा टाइप करेगा. Why I am asking means, so here no chance of full stop error also, because you cannot make a comma, semicolon, colon. Data is that much of clear I am saying. Okay, so full stop error जाने का चांस नहीं है. No full stop error means there is no chance of spelling error. No spelling error means no chance of word missing or line missing. So no line missing means no page missing. Okay, like this we have to type. See here it is H. Okay, remove it. Like this you have to verify. If you are verifying like this, so is there any chance to get the spelling errors in your work?
No.
Still you are getting a spelling error, so many spelling errors in your work. Then that is called a neglect work. We cannot do that one. Okay, so up to here like this, within 5 to 10 minutes you can verify all your work. Alright, so after that click on image section, delete it and select all, go back, go to automatic, and page height should be in A4 size. Just directly keep it in A4 size. Okay, now line spacing 1.5 में था, 1.5, and zoom size should be in zoom कितना रहना? 100 zoom size. Default setting is there, keep it in 100. Over. Come on, save the file. Now ये फाइल को बाद में 100 people verify किया, कुछ प्रॉब्लम है? नहीं. So 100% work is there. You know yourself now. Okay, if you work like this, so 100% accuracy आसान से मिल जाता. Right, 100% वर्क करने के लिए so 100% सपोर्ट कर रहा है. So this is the working method to get 100% of accuracy in your work. Okay, so finally इधर से इधर तक, so we are giving 100% support. So it is your responsibility to maintain 100% accuracy. It is our responsibility to provide you 100% salary. Okay, so this is the working method. Now you have seen each and every work over here, and we give you the sample files, so you can do it at your home, you can do it yourself, and you can analyze yourself whether I can perform this work or not. Then you can go for registration. Right, so this is the work nature.